What's good, Righteous Gang?
What's good, Righteous Gang?
What's good, Righteous Gang?
I said what's happening, Righteous Gang?
I said what's going on, Righteous Gang?
I said what's poppin', Righteous Gang?
And we back at it with another.
I said we back at it with another.
I said we back at it again with another video.
And you know what's going on. Today we doing the Tay Test / mukbang or mukbang.
It's a Righteous Bang.
Oh, Righteous Gang, we go out with a bang for sure. But here here we got the
icy, oh icy.
chili cheese nachos.
Chili cheese nachos.
Then right here we got chili cheese fried.
Chili cheese, your eyes.
And here we got the Righteous sausage dog.
You got the Righteous Kobe inside.
I'm saying, don't feel loud. Whole platter right here. You know we got the quesadillas, the chicken quesadillas, and the steak quesadilla.
In case of Righteous. That what I'm grabbing first.
2 good burgers.
Home of the what?
Good burger.
Can I take your order?
And here we got the
2
big
Jimmy
boys.
D's.
The big
Oh my
boys.
God.
What's going on? Moses.
Oh,
Moses.
Nada.
And last but not least, we got the lemon pepper wings and the mild lemon pepper wings.
Time 3.
Not to mention one of these has.
Oh, is it one on?
Yes, it's one on.
One
Hey,
So somebody gonna
Can
get
we get a track cam or something?
Yeah.
one of these.
Things I throw up.
One of these got the hottest hot sauce on them. And I ain't eating it. I don't know.
We're gonna get right into the video.
What that is?
Alright. I'm gonna start with the chili cheese fry, cause you know I don't eat all that, you know.
Boy, look kinda good, though. Boy, look
I gotta
good.
get it. I don't even eat this.
Hey, that homemade chili too.
Ooh.
Let me see what that tastes like.
Hey, if you at home, give a thumbs up, cause I don't even eat this stuff. Am I lying?
Nah, you're not.
All he eat is cheeseburger.
You dip it in the
Ketchup on it.
Hold up. Hey, I'm finna start with the big boy today. The big boy. This is a $5. What is it?
That's 10.
10
10 inch.
$10.
5 wide, 10 long.
What a knife that?
5 and 8. 8
Yeah.
up. 5 8.
Man, look, you just gonna get one, I get one?
I'm gonna start with Jimmy Dean,
That's the Righteous dog.
Mr. Clean, Righteous Dog.
That boy look good too. What's on that?
Oh, and before we get too far into the video, Chef,
Yes.
could you come introduce yourself, please?
It don't matter. It don't matter. You work hard in that kitchen. Hold on.
You know our chef.
Hold on real quick.
She kind of shy, but she not.
She not shy.
She ain't. Go right here.
I am so off.
You good. You good.
You a chef. You in the kitchen grinding. You
Look,
feel
look.
me?
Now you should have known we was setting you up for failure.
One right there. Shout out to the griddle. Yeah, man. Y'all come shop now.
First bite of some pie.
Man, I'm finna grab this one.
You don't want different
It
shit
don't
on
matter, bro.
the
We
table,
get it
bro.
off.
You already ate the fry? But you. Ah.
This so good right now.
Whoa. Boy, you gotta eat this from the side. I'm telling you.
Hold on. Do some boy and do some toy.
What it taste like though?
It done did it.
What it taste like though? What you doing in some rain?
I did want to
Hey,
try.
I'm gonna go ahead and go to the wings.
But
You know what I'm
look,
saying?
thing about this, I am a food specialist critic.
And so I said, hey.
So Miss Sheila is her name.
Hey.
No,
I will
wait.
share with you.
I gotta get a food critic. You gotta tell about what you ate. So this sausage is covered in bell pepper and onion, smoked sausage on the grill, bun, freshly toasted, and when you bite into the sausage, it tastes like. Have you ever woke up one day and your mouth was dry, and you went to take that morning pee, and then you said, "Mom, is breakfast ready?" And you went in there and touched that Simplest orange juice, and it just went down into you, like, you know, when it touched you in that spot, you just wake up instantly. You feel me?
Boy, if you don't.
That's what they remind me of. I ain't ate all day. Cause I knew you was doing the big.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this wing. You might have never had this before. But I'm gonna be the
Y'all see how niggas do?
Oh.
And so I said, hey, hey,
We ain't stop beat.
I will share with you if you were next to me. A lemon pepper wing.
Oh, boo, boo, boo.
And I said, hey, hey, I would share with you if you were next to me. A lemon pepper wing.
I can see you, but you can see me, and I will share with you the big righteous three. Oh, bo, 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 bo. Philly. Boy, let me be real. You gotta bite that part. Doing lime. Like a coat.
Sniff.
And you hit the spot for sure. Man, y'all, come on now. You can't, bruh.
Now, wait a minute.
Hey, move it. I'm finna get full, man. I'm gonna be real.
So you gotta stop eating. You gotta put it to the side for later.
Oh, bro.
Those the first two.
You want you a good burger though?
Me and you.
I might well.
You gonna bite these,
I
but
might
I gotta
well.
learn right.
Nah, bro, it got
I
cheese.
did- I
I
already
got
touched
cheese on
it.
there too though.
I already
So it's
touched
cool. Here we got the mini.
The mini
I was over there smashing on them.
A lemon pepper wing.
burger.
Yeah, man. Yeah. And he got the. So
First bite of some fire.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
So the texture of the meat,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
it's like when you bite into it, all juices inside the meat. It's so tender.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up.
I mean,
Oh my god.
I
Hey,
just
hey,
I just don't. I don't.
hey, this Mondo burger.
Bite the bottom, bro. Boy, if you can get this to smooth it.
Alright, put that to the side.
Hold on.
Got to. Doing you eat one thing.
You listen, also.
Oh really? Oh really? I'm so sorry. Where am I, man?
Nigga doing the most, bro. I swear.
Say these, boy.
Yeah. What is it? Okay.
So we got the nachos. Are they nachos?
With the homemade chili cheese.
Bacon is in. cheese is in.
Oh, and they got a little bacon bits in there too.
You hear what I said?
I just heard it. I look.
Okay. But look, one thing about me. If it crunch, I'm gonna eat a bunch.
One thing about me, baby.
I think we done found him. Sheriff, we got him.
This ain't it. This boy hot.
Oh. You know?
This ain't it, but this boy hot, but I thought I had bit the wrong one.
Hey, this chili's sweet too.
Mm-hmm. Just take that.
Ooh, though.
This ain't no tangy chili, which I'll be eating
None
out
of
there.
that.
Your mom be cooking, leave it on the stove too long, putting all that salt in it, all that vinegar. She leave it on the stove, let fly get in.
This chili's so good and sweet, you can make a sloppy joe with this.
This so, let me tell you, if you put this chili in the 1,000-degree weather, you'll be freezing. Think about that. You gotta know, I'm saying.
What's wrong with you?
My game, man. Think about that.
Cause the chili.
Yeah.
But you smart, bro.
Chili.
But you smart, bro. Well, right here we got the sweet old quesadilla. You eat Mexican food, bro?
You know, it ain't a T8.
I'll go and
I
smash
go
one.
ahead. Yeah.
I'm gonna go and say I don't eat nothing but the wings
Go smash some wings then.
and the wings.
Oh, it's two different kinds?
Oh, I can smash the whole thing of wings?
Hold on, I want one.
Hold on, no, we missing on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta
wait.
do
We
this.
gotta wait.
We gotta do this.
Hold on.
Nah,
Oh, you wanna do wings?
Nah, yeah, we do the wing first.
I'm gonna do
I
this.
Nah, I gotta smash some wings though.
I'm gonna get one.
Grab your wing, bro.
Okay, right. Alright, look. Wait a minute.
This got lemon pepper.
Oh, fat.
I don't want you to do
And
that.
the best wings in the continent.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
You feel me, baby?
With it! Hey, you want, bro?
Mama's in the kitchen with potato salad.
I get in the sauce. Hey, you tell me. I know what I'm doing.
You know that damn sauce.
I cook better than you.
Why you in so much competition with me?
I'm telling you, I cook better than you.
You don't.
I look better than you. Y'all said that.
Nah, you said it wrong.
I cook better than you. You can't.
No,
I look better than you.
It said I look better than you at first. I look better than you first, bro.
When I said cook, you still said it wrong.
I look better than you. You don't. I cook better than you. You can't. My baby's bigger than yours. Hey, what goes? You want more nacho though? Hey,
I'm gonna tell you about those quesadillas.
I'm finna smash.
When you eat
it.
one of those,
you can go ahead and get them.
I didn't even try to eat the whole thing, but I did on accident. Cause it's not too thick, it's not too thin. But one thing about me, I'm gonna grab nothing again.
Say, bro, you ain't ate the wing yet though. You a wing, bro.
I'm trying to do
I'm here.
Well, you can't eat all the wing by yourself. That's what you talking about. They here. Boy, you don't.
Let me get right on this quesadilla though. Fish oil. Watch you smelling the food, bro.
I done ate my wing.
I ate mine too.
I done ate. How many lemon pepper was in here? I ate about 10.
Your fault. You ain't eat everything, yo.
I don't eat that.
Exactly.
He ain't ate the big boy yet though. You running from it? He asked if we can handle it. I said, yeah, we got it. He said, you sure?
You a big boy? I'm a big man.
You see something there?
My name. You out there grabbing by a neck. Big boy. Yeah. Okay. Something about this here. You got Kai ass.
Bro, come on, dog.
Mukbang.
Eat it away.
Mukbang.
Come on.
My bad. Let me clean you up, bro. I been fucking for the win, bro. Stupid ass. You said, oh, you died, man. It's on your eyelash.
Bitch, stop, bro.
It's on your eyelash. That's why I
Put that
told
shit in
you.
my eye, bro.
He don't want that eyelash to come off.
Oh, yeah,
Bro,
I'm
stop
done.
trying me, bro.
Damn, big ass piece of bread.
Oh, God.
Boy, I ain't eat that. Where that been went?
Wait till you see the
Stay straight though.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the
She was wet. She was wet.
Come out, bro.
Oh, bro, you smacking in the ear.
My fault.
Boy, I like boo boo, boy. No cap.
She was wet. She was wet.
Bro, you need to fix your face, bro. Applesauce. Bro, you all on my... Bro, tighten up, bro.
My fault. So you know how nasty I get. Mom, don't watch that. See, look what you got me doing. It's big in him. Nothing.
Oh, shoot. It ain't out. It hit you. It hit you. As soon as you bite into it. Bite into it.
Excuse me.
Tell the people what excuse me mean though.
Oh. When we randomly say excuse me, that means we let one go. That's not when you burp. It come out the other end.
I was a bird though.
Say bless you then.
Bless you then. Ooh.
Bless me. Straight up.
How I say, look.
Bro, I done had 3 wings
Look.
already.
So we coming to the end of the video. One of these wings got the hottest sauce on it.
Shit, I can't go.
And there's 3 more left. And it's 3 of us.
You got some clothes, bitch.
Oh, everybody got to eat one
So
for
that
sure.
mean everybody gotta grab a wing.
Give me a nut. My damn face.
Oh,
Can't see them though. They got- Matter of fact, don't look.
I
Everybody
ain't gonna look, bro.
Get shit out my chin. It's been done shitted on me. That shit itchy.
Let me cut this part out. I gotta get this shit.
Go and grab the blazer hot, Mr. Fast Ass.
Got the bread right there.
My God.
Well,
Get you a wing, bro. This is last 3.
Here you go.
We ain't hit the hot one yet. So,
I don't eat hot, man.
bro.
He ain't eat everything, you know. Yeah, between y'all two, y'all.
Mm-mm.
Every time I go to Zaxby, what I get? Barbecue wing. I don't eat that. Like he said, I don't eat that.
Nah, bro. You gotta get it right.
Alright. It'll be me and Chris, so I ain't eat everything.
So somebody eat 2. Y'all split.
I feel like this the one.
Y'all split one. Put that.
You grabbed it, no. You gotta eat it.
Gotcha, bitch.
I got split one on.
Yeah, bro. Hold that. Well, just eat it, bro.
I don't eat hot wing.
Man, eat the wing.
My mom told my asthma mess up when I eat.
You got some water though?
Oh, you threw her.
I don't want to buy it.
Oh, this it. This
Cricket.
Oh.
I ain't moving either.
Now you gotta eat that. Now you gotta eat it.
Hold up, bro.
The whole wing. Whole thing. Whole wing. I'm good. Smell it.
Oh, you say you want me to eat that wing? Nah, I eat it.
Oh. Ooh, woo, but I can't eat this wing, boy.
You go eat it.
Say you want me to eat that wing right here? Right here. Right here. Talk to me. You want me to eat that wing right here? You? You want me to eat it? Huh?
Yeah, man.
You want me to eat it? Do you want me to eat it?
Oh, what? What is
You want to trade? I know it.
Go on, swallow it. Do something bowl.
Ooh, what?
Bang! Bang! Bang!
Don't make this like Burger King.
You don't think so? Oh, we can live them right now. I got a hotel for
I need some milk, bro.
You need to finish that wing.
I can't.
You don't? No. Mm-mm.
Ah!
That ain't nothing but a little jam mix.
Woo!
I need some milk, man. I can't eat it, bro.
That's okay. Don't make it like Burger King. I'm just saying.
Stop trying me, though.
Willie,
You can't-
get your hands off of that heifer. Yeah, Daddy, get your hands off that heifer. Alright, Yeti, get that line up. Shut up, bitch. I know somebody like it.
There you go, boy. You ain't getting
Hey, boy, you like a soldier, boy. Get it? Soldier, boy.
This nigga.
Bro, that shit hot, man.
That be hot, bro. Is it hot or is it heat? Is it heat or is it steaming? Is it steaming or is it scorching? Is it scorching or is it torching? Are you hot or are you heated? Are you heated or are you steaming? Are you steaming or are you scorching? Are you scorching or are you torching? Which one?
The last one, bro.
Torching. Scorching. Steaming, dreaming. Wheeling, dealing. You gotta join in though. You gotta join in. Oh,
I've been driving on this road too long,
Too long.
trying to find my way back home.
Back home.
Homie's dead and gone, dead and gone. I said, I've been on this road too long, trying to find my way back home. Homie's dead and gone, dead and gone.
That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And we out.